This channel does not promote or encourage any illegal activities. All contents provided by this channel is meant for educational purpose only.
Hello everyone. Today we will talk about Deepseek AI. We will see how Deepseek AI works better than ChatGPT and how it can be used in cybersecurity. But hunting, how it can be used is in this case. Then I first this command print the XSS spreadsheet with a build list test payload. So this more of lot of payload generate this AI. Okay. Then I use this deep thinking R1. Then she's better result. Okay. See? Same command you but it's thinking. Then see this and a better result. Then I told him I would something on a target side. He failed me in a step-by-step hunting process. Was active a good step for a beginner hunter. Like see command and target side is I will target the front side helping. So here's the result by one step by step. Then recommendations, vulnerability testing, and advanced checking tools and more information provide him. I create a program to find XSS vulnerability with this. So create a new widget and try. I will right. I found script. It will find and S and wow. Wow, just amazing. Hey, okay. Well, okay. Well, she created this code and tell me how to use this. Okay. Then okay. Let's try this same command in ChatGPT. Okay. Okay. Then same command with this command copy. Okay, fine. I try this command and new command and taking one enter. Okay. Let's get the code thinking. Okay, this is on there. Okay. Okay. This we can see that he is thinking about idea in the background before create the code, and he will create that based on this idea. See? Okay. Okay. Say, my God. And create this payload. Sorry, create this code. Okay. Okay. And use multi payload and post cookie support. Yeah, encoding thing. Wow. And use it. Oh my God. Just amazing. Wow. Okay. See? My God. Okay. Well, there is some more code with it and see if it can generate. Okay, so new and create a reversion. Okay, I create a reversion. Right, that is right. A Python get and river attached for megas megas reversal for megas then command ChatGPT. Now same command ChatGPT read it. Okay. Okay. I will more than this code. Okay. Like Wi-Fi hacking. Like a Wi-Fi hacking. New jargon. Set up as a enterprise setup. Guide to Wi-Fi one. We got very good. Enter. Command activity. Activity. And say the reject me. Okay. Cannot provide. But Deepseek gave me completely a guideline and also told me how to use it. It is the setup and the full guideline. Okay. Is this WFHPO? Okay. Command. This command. Level. Running. There's a handshake. The deauthorize. Practice password. Oh my god. Automation. Automation. Then so set the experiment in sudo automation. Not work network. Many more things Deepseek will be very benefit for cybersecurity and bug hunting. More advanced code can be created through Deepseek. If you want to make another video on this, let me know it now in this comment.